Welcome to this detailed review of the ProtoArc EK01 Plus Backlit Ergonomic Keyboard paired with the EC200 Ergonomic Chair. In today's fast-paced digital world, comfort and efficiency are key to productivity, and this dynamic duo promises to deliver just that. In this review, we'll walk you through the standout features, real-life usage, comparisons with similar products, and tips to ensure you maximize your experience. Let's start with the keyboard. The ProtoArc EK01 Plus sports a full-size ergonomic design aimed at reducing muscle strain and promoting proper posture. The curved, split keyframe and scooped keys are designed to fit perfectly under your fingertips, ensuring a natural, effortless typing experience. One of its standout features is the adjustable backlighting. With soft white LED backlighting offering 3 brightness levels, you can easily adapt to different environments, be it a dim room or a bright office during day work. Its ability to seamlessly switch between 3 devices, thanks to Bluetooth and 2.4G USB connectivity, makes it a versatile tool for modern professionals using multiple devices concurrently. This simplicity in switching across a laptop, tablet, or a desktop computer, combined with compatibility for Windows, Mac, Android, and Microsoft systems, helps it stand out amongst other wireless keyboards. Moving on to the EC200 Ergonomic Chair, this product is designed with long-duration comfort in mind. Key features include adjustable lumbar support, seat depth, backrest, seat height, and a multi-dimensional headrest, ensuring the chair supports users from 5'4" to 6'3" each and up to 280 pounds. Its seat cushion is built with a high-resiliency foam at 55 density, ensuring pressure is evenly distributed and relieving strain from prolonged sitting. The 4 tilt-back angles, 90 degrees for work, 105 degrees for reading, 120 degrees for phone calls, and 130 degrees for relaxation, offer personalized comfort based on your daily tasks. Additionally, the tilt tension control allows you to fine-tune the reclining resistance to suit your preference. On the performance front, both the keyboard and the chair have impressed with their adaptive features and build quality. While the keyboard's inability to connect via a wired option might be a slight drawback for some, the overall user experience remains highly satisfactory. Comparatively, similar products in the market often lack the combined versatility of multi-device pairing in the keyboard and the extensive ergonomic adjustments provided by the chair. To get the most out of these products, ensure you spend time adjusting the chair settings to suit your body fit and take advantage of the customizable brightness on the keyboard based on ambient lighting conditions. If you're a professional looking to invest in a setup that promotes both productivity and well-being, then this bundle might just be your perfect match. Thank you for tuning in to this review. We hope this helps you make an informed decision. Greetings to all our viewers, and have a great day.